Back. So today I'm going to show you how to add to cart on Alibaba.com. If you want to add to cart to Alibaba.com, let me show you how to do it. You want to add any product, so what you need to do is, for example, now I want to buy this product. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see cart here. You can see I don't want to chat and I don't want to send for inquiry, so I just want to add to cart. So just click on cart. You can see there's no any cards here, so this is it. These are the recommended for you. Just click on this and I'm going to add it to cards. You can see now here you can choose the color, which color do you want for the font or everything. Once you are done, click on add to cart. Okay, this I should add the quantity. So, okay, how many quantity? Okay, so I'm going to add to cart, and this is it. Added to shopping cart. This is very simple. So if I want to check it out, I just click on checkout. Then I'm going to see you can see these are the cards. You see process to pay, everything is here. So guys, if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, do have a comment and subscribe.